Bonnie, happy Saturday. I am back. I am totally late. I have been cleaning, getting ready for Christmas, doing all the things that I need to do to keep my house running, including laundry. Oh my gosh, you guys. I finally got around to trying out the Bath & Body Works laundry detergent, and I got a lot to say about this. So, where do I start? Last fall, I actually bought lavender vanilla. These were on sale. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy them. And then I also bought the Fabric Care fragrance boosters in champagne toast. These, by the way, these are hard to open. The lids, this is what the beads look like, and you're supposed to, I guess, put them in the washer. I never use them. They kind of smell like champagne toast. I'm going to be gifting all of the laundry stuff away. Let's just put it that way. So, when I saw that Bath & Body Works was doing laundry detergent, I was like, what? This is not what I expect Bath & Body Works to do, because they're more of a bath and beauty company. And to go, down the road of laundry detergent, that's like a whole other arena to me. That's like home care. That's cleaning products. So I wasn't super thrilled. I thought, you know what? I'll try it out. I'll get one. I picked one up. I never used it. And then Christmas rolls around, and I was intrigued because they had twisted peppermint, they had winter candy apple, they had vanilla bean Noel. I got the Norwegian pine. I was like, oh my gosh, I was literally sucked in by all of these Christmas fragrances. So I'm like, I gotta try these. And I don't like them. I gotta say, I'm a definite no. So let me describe my experience. So I don't have a fancy washer and dryer. I have the standard top loader Maytag. I've probably had it for about 7 years. It's one of the electronic ones. I like my washer. And I usually use the Tide-free pods. I've been using those forever. I've been perfectly happy with my laundry. This was a towel that I washed in my Tide-free. I like the way it smells. It doesn't smell like a scent. I don't know. It's probably me, but I just like no scent in my laundry. So I've really been happy with my laundry detergent. But the lure of vanilla bean Noel and twisted peppermint sucked me in. So, according to Bath & Body Works, these formulas, it says cleans in cold water, septic safe, washes up to 64 loads. That's a lot of loads in this, I gotta say. Concentrated formula, high efficiency, cleans in cold water. Squeeze the sides of the cap, twist to open, follow care label instructions. Fill to line 1 for a small load and line 2 for a large. I did put a little short on. Honestly, like, I couldn't even see the line. I didn't even know what the heck they were talking about with the line. I mean, I'm looking, even now, I'm like, what the heck line are you supposed to fill this to? Because I'm not seeing a fill line on these, unless I'm completely blind and missing these. So I didn't even know what they were talking about. So basically what I did is I put a little bit, see, this is what it looks like. I put like, not even that much. I'll have to say, I didn't use a lot. Poured it over my clothes. I put like a couple towels and my jeans in there. It smells almost like vanilla bean Noel just out of the bottle. I have to say, it's a little bit off. It doesn't smell exactly like vanilla bean Noel. I think it's missing the caramel note. It didn't smell terrible to me, though. By the way, these lids are really difficult to open. I don't know. I'm not super crazy about the lid. They don't, like... I'm not sure. Like, there's two parts. Like, see, they're just wonky. I don't love the lid. Let me see if I see the fill line on here. I'm not seeing the fill line, you guys. I don't know. This one smells more like twisted peppermint. I didn't even try the twisted peppermint because at this point I was just done. So I wash my clothes, I dry my clothes, I get my towel. Now, this smells like a really bizarre version of Vanilla Bean Noel. I could smell it. So a lot of people thought, like, I mean, honestly, like, this smells so much better. I love the way my Tide smells. Tide free. Love it. It's not strong because a lot of people are saying it wasn't strong. And like I said, I'm probably a little bit of an odd one here because I don't like perfumey smells on my laundry. I just like that clean, not laundry scent, not like laundry day. I just like almost like you put your clothes outside and you air dried them and there's like just a fresh, natural, organic, like clean scent. I don't like perfume, and that's me. So a lot of people said that it was really light. I did smell this. So much so that it just like, I almost just want to throw this towel out if I can't get this smell out because I didn't like it at all. I thought it smelled a little bit putrid. I didn't like the way it smelled at all. I didn't think it smelled like Vanilla Bean Noel at all. It was just kind of gross. And then my jeans, which I'm wearing, by the way, I have my jeans on that I washed, and they feel fine. I mean, I'll have to say they don't feel stiff or, you know, they don't feel, the fabric doesn't feel odd or anything. But in terms of the scent, like, even sitting here once in a while, like, I can smell the Vanilla Bean Noel laundry detergent. I gotta say, I don't like it at all. I mean, I really wanted to give this a full-on try before I, you know, said, no, I'm not going to do it. And I can honestly say now, like, I'm not on board with this at all. That being said, I do feel like there are a lot of people out there who are liking this product. It's funny because not a lot of people are reviewing it, which is odd. So they're reviewing the regular scents. No one has reviewed the Christmas scents. It's like one review on Winter Candy Apple, no reviews on Vanilla Bean Noel, and then one on Twisted Peppermint. And it's kind of interesting that no one's reviewing the Christmas scents. So if I go to something like Mahogany Teakwood, I can't even imagine my clothes smelling like Mahogany Teakwood. I literally have to move out of the house if my I have to burn my clothes. I can't even imagine that scent. So what was interesting, 193 people gave it a 5-star review, 29 4-star, 31 3-star, 23 2-star, and then 39 gave it a 1-star. And the biggest complaint was that it just, you know, it's weak, that you couldn't really smell it. Not a fan. Smells great, but doesn't dissolve fully in the washer. I thought that was weird because maybe they're talking about the fragrance beads, because I was like, no, that's detergent. I don't know. Because it's a liquid, so it does dissolve. That was not a problem. I didn't have a problem so much with the formula. I had more of a problem with the smell. It just totally did not work for me. So, that being said, is it worth it? I feel like it's almost as if Heinz ketchup, by the way, I love my Heinz ketchup. That's the only brand of ketchup I ever buy. I love my Heinz ketchup. But if Heinz started selling chicken, I wouldn't be buying chicken with the Heinz branding because they're my ketchup people. So I kind of think it's a little bit like that. I feel like Bath and Body Works is definitely trying to expand their market, trying to expand their reach, their sales when they added the laundry detergent. And it's more popular than I thought it was going to be. Honestly, like I was like, wow, this is a lot. That's what actually got me to try it, because I'm like, maybe I'm missing out on something really great. So, no, I'm not. I'm not a fan, but that doesn't mean you won't be a fan. So when it's on sale, I would try it out. That's the other thing. It's fairly pricey. It's $19.95, and I don't know, maybe that's not pricey. I felt like that was pricey. I got it was like buy one get one free. It was like $10. So, yeah, it's a no for me. I do wish Bath and Body Works would go back to their core roots of Bath and Body and home fragrance and stay out of the cleaning product arena. I wish we had more bubble bath. I wish we had more deodorant. Um, I wish we had wax melts, like that kind of stuff. So I don't know. I don't know where they're going with this. I don't know if this is like a one-hit wonder. It's funny because Bath and Body Works does like to do like a lot of testing stuff. I'm not even sure, like, is Moxie even around anymore, or is that totally gone? Yeah, I think Moxie's gone. Moxie was an odd little testing thing. It was here and it left. No more Moxie. So, I don't know. Will we have laundry detergent by spring? You never know. If the sales are good and people are liking it, they might keep it around. It's kind of interesting. So anyway, I tried it. I didn't like it. Let me know what you think. I'm curious. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.